Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. So, there's been a lot of fuss about this gel on how it's good on our natural hair as well as on our skin. And this is my first time of trying it, and I'm super excited to be trying it with you today. I'm going to tell you my honest review and also tell you all about my struggles. So, make sure you watch the end because I'm going to throw in a hairstyle tutorial. Let's get into it. This is a flaxseeds I'm going to use today. Flaxseeds are rich in vitamin E, which is great for both skin and hair health. The nutrients promotes the health of the scalp, improving circulation in the scalp, thus promoting hair growth and slowing down hair breakage. The flaxseed gel helps hair to grow faster and longer by providing nourishment to the hair follicles. This gel is also good for the skin, helps tighten the skin, and also prevents acne, leaving your skin nice and smooth. During my research, I found out that the gel can cause some flakes in your hair, and to prevent that, you should add any kind of oil. So I'm going to add olive oil today, and you all know olive oil is really good for our hair. It helps strengthen the hair and also add some shine. Let's go ahead and prepare the gel. I'm going to add some amount of the flax seeds to boiling water. You can use about 2 tablespoons. You do not need a lot of the flax seeds because a little flax seed can provide a lot of gel. I make sure I stir it continuously to prevent the seeds from sticking to the pan. I'm going to leave it to boil for about 15 minutes, or when you see that there is foam like so on top of the seeds, and when the foam becomes cloudy and a little slimy or thicker, then you know your gel is ready. I also learned that straining the gel whilst it's still hot is much easier because once you leave it to cool down, it thickens up and becomes a little difficult to strain. So I did it the right way by straining it whilst it was still hot. And I tell you that hack was a lifesaver, okay? So try to do it that way. Do not wait for it to cool down because it's going to be thick. My hair has been a protective style for some time and this is how it's looking now. So I'm taking it down. I detangled it and I'm ready to add my gel. Let's go and check on the gel. So right now it has cooled down and you can see how thick it is. That is why it's better to strain it whilst it's still hot and it's still in the liquid form. Right now it's thick and it's ready to be used. I'm going to put it in an applicator bottle to make it easier to be used on my hair. It's best to apply the gel when your hair is wet, so I had to soak my hair in water. I found that a lot of people use this gel to define their curls, others use it as a leave-in, and others use it as a treatment. So I'm going to tell you my honest review. So make sure you watch to the end. And guess what? I'm going to throw in a hairstyle tutorial, a very simple one that you can wear after every wash and go, okay? So stay tuned and let's do this. Each time I do any treatment on my hair, I make sure I put my hair into sections. Guys, always make sure you are working with your hair in sections. It's much easier. So as you see me now, I put my hair into sections and I'm ready to try the gel. So the first thing I'm going to try is to find out if it's going to define any curls at all in my hair, okay? And I thought they said the applicator bottle makes it easier to apply it, but no. It was all over my face. It was all over my clothes. I didn't know it was going to be that bad. But yeah, we got to do what we got to do. So let's keep going. Before I forget to mention, each time you put any products or any treatments in your hair, make sure you are massaging it into your scalp because the massage also helps stimulate blood flow and it helps with new hair growth. Okay, so I applied it, I detangled it, and look at it. I think I'm seeing some curls. Are you seeing those curls? Are you, girl? Those curls are popping. Let's do the next one and let's see how it's gonna go. Using the detangling brush also helps to bring the curls out. Girl, look at that curls. I'm so excited. But guess what? The gel was all over my face, my eyes, my clothes. Ugh, it was a struggle. There are a lot of honest reviews that I'm going to let you know about this flaxseed gel. So make sure you watch to the end. And guys, if you're still watching to this point and you haven't liked this video, what are you waiting for? Give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, Please subscribe and click on the notification bell for more videos like these. On this channel, I do tutorials on hair. I also do hair treatments as well as kids hairstyle. So what you see me spraying in my hair is the olive oil. I mix it with water and I sprayed it on my hair. And guess what? This is one of the reviews. So the olive oil is supposed to help with the flakes. But as soon as I added the oil to it, the thickness or the sliminess of the flaxseed gel was loosened up. I know you understand what I mean. It wasn't as slimy as it was when I started with it. Okay guys, so now that I have it all over my face and I'm waiting for my hair to dry, I might as well try it on my face and see what happens. Keep watching. Honest review, it was really smooth to the skin. It feels so good on the skin. Really smooth, and was cold, and it was so nice on the skin. I could use it all day. So this gel is supposed to get rid of acne and also tighten your skin, as well as leaving your skin clear and smooth. Of course, for you to be able to get rid of the acne and other things they says it does to the skin, you will have to be using it continuously. But today is just my first time and it felt really dry on my skin. So after some time, I just washed it off with lukewarm water and my skin felt so smooth and even much more brighter and clearer. I really loved it on my skin. I love it, guys. I mean, that is my honest review. At least it felt really smooth. But I don't know about the acne, so I'm going to keep using it. Let's get back to the hair. Okay, I beat my face a little bit and the hair is all dried. So we're going to take it down and see if it still has the curls and also whether it did anything to the hair. Keep watching. To be honest, my hair really feels soft. I love it on my hair. I just loved it. But the curls, I'm not seeing any curls. It didn't really define any curls for me. I don't know if you see any curls, guys. Get busy in the comment section. I want to know what you think. Do you think you can leave this gel in your hair as a styling gel or something like that? Or what do you think about it? Have you ever tried this gel before? I would like to know your honest review in the comment section. And if you haven't tried it before, do you think you're ever going to try it? For me, I think I will use it as a treatment. I will use it in my hair as a leave-in conditioning, but I'm not going to use it to style my hair because it's not going to style it or hold my hair in the style that I want it to be. So that is my honest review, but let me know what you think in the comment section. Leave me your comments and your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. So I decided to go in with some oil because it felt a little dry, but at least the olive oil worked. I do not see any flakes at all, okay? So it's very true, you should add any kind of oil to it before applying it. But I don't know whether that is why I didn't get the curls or something. If you have any idea about it, leave it to me in the comment section. I would love to know. So this is a simple hairstyle that you can do after wash and go or after any hair treatment. Very simple, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you have subscribed and clicked on the notification bell, and also you have given this video a thumbs up. And also do not forget to share this video. Remember, sharing is caring. And let me know how I did in the comment section below. And hey, before you leave, click on the video on the screen to watch that video. You will love it. See you at my next video. Bye.